Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Today, we have a house that has been reduced by 2 million Jamaican dollars. This lovely architectural redesigned house in Black River features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 1/3 acre or 12,270 square feet of flat land. This well laid out family home features chair rails and moldings throughout, as well as recessed lighting in some rooms. On the ground level is an entrance foyer, powder room, living room, dining room, kitchen, lots of cabinetry for storage, and a laundry room. Also on this level is a 1 bedroom with ensuite bathroom, back patio, and an office. Perfect for working from home. The upper level has a large family room and a TV room and 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. The large primary bedroom features a sitting area, ensuite bathroom with shower and walk-in closet. There is a wooden deck patio in the back and a spacious yard, which is great for kids and quiet family gatherings. This home is ideally located in a residential area, yet close to all major convenience, including the Black River Hospital, the clinic, banks, supermarkets, and schools. Some other features include porcelain flooring, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, view of the mountains, central location, easy access, quiet area, landscaped, road paved and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $312,000. To purchase or make an offer, please visit the description area below. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.